Hello, my name is Juan Ernesto Exposito, and I'm going to be doing this presentation about the excretory system of vertebrates and invertebrates. I did this project with my other classmates, which their names are right here in this PowerPoint, as you can see. For the difference, we pick lizards as the vertebrates and earthworms as the invertebrates. Me and my other classmate, we did part of the presentation based on the lizards only, so that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So let's start on it. So the excretory system of lizards is responsible for eliminating metabolic waste and excess water from the body. It consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and cloaca. The kidneys, although, are divided into regions, and that's why we have the cortex and the medulla, because those two regions are composed of cortex and medulla. So let's go to the next slide. So let's start with the kidneys. As we can see in the highlighted area on the right side, we can see the photo, which is indicating to the kidneys. The kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity on either side of the spine. They have a V shape, and each one is divided in two regions, the cortex and the medulla. Its physiological function is to filter waste and reabsorb products from the blood and maintain fluid electrolyte balance through glomeruli and tubules. It conserves water by producing highly concentrated urine. Alright, let's talk about the cortex and medulla. So, the cortex and medulla contains nephrons, which are function units responsible for filtering blood and producing urine. The medulla contains collecting ducts that carry urine from the nephrons to the ureters. And when we talk about ureters, we can see here on the right side photo, and it has highlighted the ureter. The ureter is located on the ventral surface of kidneys. It extends from kidneys through coelomic membrane and empty into dorsal cloaca on each side. Its physiological function is to transport systems that it's transport systems that allow nitrogenous waste to move past cloaca to urinary bladder, where it is eliminated. And the urinary bladder is located within the posterior part of the abdominal cavity and connected to the ureters, as we can see right here. The urinary bladder on the photo is highlighted, as well as the ureter. Its physiological function is to regulate water and electrolyte balance in bodies and remove waste products. So if the bladder is full, the lizard uses muscles by contracting them in order to force urine out of the bladder and through cloaca and out of the body. So the cloaca is as we can see in the last slide, the cloaca is right below the urinary bladder and the ureter. And the cloaca, it is a common opening for the excretory, reproductive, and digestive system. It is located at the base of the tail and is divided into three parts: the cropodeum, urodeum, and proctodeum. As we can see in the the photo that is just right above the text, the coprodeum, the proctodeum, and the urodeum, they're right there. Each one is like kind of connected to each other. And so let's just talk a little bit more about those two trees. Let's start with the coprodeum. It is the anterior portion of the cloaca, and it receives feces from the digestive system. The urodeum is the middle portion of the cloaca and receives urine from the urinary system. The proctodeum is the posterior portion of the cloaca, and it serves as the exit point for both the feces and the urine. So basically, that's all the excretory system of the lizards. And overall, lizards excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid, which requires less water to eliminate ammonia. Uric acid is excreted as a semi-solid material, which helps to conserve water in our environment where lizards typically live. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you like it, and wish you the best, and have a great day. Bye bye.